like this, this, and this. I can hit everywhere with this bat. The second one is this is the cricket head. I wear and we can wear and play. If the ball hits on your leg, it will nothing happen if we wear this. And there's something inside there also. So this is the guard. This is the guard. Okay. Okay, that's done. The next one is the gloves. Here where the gloves are. This is the cricket gloves. If we wear it will not hurt your hand. If the ball come to your hand, it will not hurt. This is the cricket gloves. I'll show you the back one and the front one. Now I'll show you the balls. These are the cricket balls. If we hit with the bat, it will go anywhere. It will go anywhere. Now I'm ready to play cricket. And if you like my cricket bat video, please share and subscribe and like.